Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open a Bank of America checking and saving account online in 2023. Bank of America is one of the largest and most trusted banks in the United States, offering a range of financial services. Opening a checking and saving account with Bank of America can provide you with convenience banking option. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to open a Bank of America checking and saving account. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser you could possibly have or you prefer. Once you do so, of course, you'll have now to go and visit the Bank of America website. So go to this URL section and simply you'll have to type simply Bank of America and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to here. Make sure to click on this first link. As you can see, Bank of America. Click on it and you'll be taken to the homepage or main screen right away. Here, of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and log into it because that will help you like while you are creating your checking account or saving accounts. Maybe if you have like another offer on the Bank of America. If you don't have an account, you can always go and click like on open an account from here. And as you can see, you'll be able to start like your checking and saving accounts, credit card, home loans, Merrill investing, small businesses and auto loans and a lot of other stuff. And of course, if you don't know much about Bank of America, you can always go and scroll down and read more information about it. Like if you're hesitating on opening a bank on this bank account or bank account on this bank. Because a lot of people will not just open like an account on a random bank that they don't trust. So you can always scroll down and read more information about it. So as we said, we would like to have like a saving and checking account. So click on open an account. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll find here checking and saving. So click on simply get started. So as you can see, open an account that fits your need from setting up a checking or saving account to finding the right home loan. Bank of America can help and your investments needs. Merrill offers digital tools and the resources to help you take control of your finances. So click on get started on checking and saving because that's what we want in this video. Of course, for you, if you want other things, you can go and check from there. List there. So as you can see, expects more from your checking account. So open a Bank of America Advantage banking account and enjoy tools, benefits, and rewards to help you manage your money. So as you can see here, we have three options. The Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking, the Bank of America Advantage Plus Banking, and Bank of America Advantage Relationship Banking. So as you can see, this is going to be a good choice if you want checklist banking. This is a good choice if you want everyday banking. And this is a good choice if you want perks of higher balances or for higher balances. Depends on your needs. You can simply go and click open account on whatever you want. Of course, you can see everything, more information about it, or you can simply go and click on learn more. And once you click on learn more, of course, simply this will take you to another page normally, or it will just open like, yeah, something like this, a pop out, and it will tell you more information about the plan. So as you can see, they have three plan depending on what you need. So if you scroll down, as you can see, Bank of America preferred rewards, you'll be able to see even the benefits from here if you click on it. And that's gonna be it. So go here and depending on what your account, whatever account you choose, let's say as an example, we choose this one. So I'm just going to click on open account there. Of course, for you, you'll have to do the same. So first, let's start by entering our zip code. So please enter the zip code for your home address so we can give you accurate rate and fee informations for your location. So for me, I'm just going to enter my zip code and then clicking on OK. And please enter your country for me. I'm just going to do this and click on OK. So of course here you will be opening a checking account. And as you can see, you'll be able to add a saving account to your Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance Banking, which is the plan that we choose. If you want, click on yes, add a Banking of America Advantage saving account. And why do you want to add the saving account? If you want to know, you can simply click here. Normally, this will open this page for you and read all of that if you want to. Or if you don't want to open like a saving account, you can always check this option that I only want a Bank of America Advantage Safe Banking account that we, as I said, choose. This is just the name of the plan. Of course, if you have a code offer, make sure to check this option, enter the code offer here. And if you don't, you will not have to check it. And as you can see, are you a Bank of America online banking customer? If you are, make sure to check this option because they will prefer and customize your application to save time for you. So for me, I'm just going to click here on yes, and I'm not going to check any of those. And of course, I'm just going to click on go to application. So once I do so, of course, they will take me to another page. So I'll have to wait. And here I'll simply have to go and enter my, or I'll have to provide my personal informations and select the account option. And of course, verify your identity. And finally, of course, I'll be able to see the terms and conditions, accept on them, and review everything, then submit. So as you can see here, you'll have to enter your first name, middle name, last name. Of course, middle name is just optional. Nothing or things with those that does not contain this star are not mandatory, are not necessarily, just optional. So make sure to enter the necessary stuff or mandatory stuff, and you can leave the optional stuff if you don't want to. So here you'll have I'm just going to say what's mandatory. So first name, last name, date of birth, address line 1, city, state, zip code, and country or county, and phone number and the phone number type. Make sure to even enter your email address and re-enter it. And are you a US citizen? Do you have a dual citizenship? And employment and finances. If you have like a co-applicant, you can simply go check this option, add it, and then you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll have to go and finish the account setup. As I said, you will have to simply select like your account option. So during the application process, you may have the opportunity to select additional options or features for your checking and saving account. And of course, these options could include like overdraft protection, debit card preferences, or additional account service. You can choose the option that aligns with your banking needs, and they may charge you depending on what you need. After that, you'll have to go and read the terms and conditions and the review and accept them. Then finally, you'll have to review and submit everything. And here you are. You will be able to review finally, of course, review and submit your application. And after submitting your application, Bank of America will verify the information provided and may perform identity verification checks. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding to the status of your application. And of course, once the application is approved, the Bank of America will give you the necessary account details, such as your account numbers and online banking access informations. And you can access your account through the Bank of America website or their mobile banking app if you want to download it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully opened the Bank of America checking and saving account online in 2023. So, thank you for watching and wish you a positive banking experience with Bank of America. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.